Electrical safety. It means to prevent harmful and dangerous effects of electricity to workers.
Electrical is defined as something related to electricity, which energy is resulting from charged particles.
Electricity is the physical phenomena arising from the behavior of electrons and protons that is caused by the attraction of particles.
The Philippine Electrical Code is adopted and standards contained shall be considered safety standards to the extent that they guarantee safety to any person employed in any workplace.
No electrical installation shall be undertaken without the approved of the secretary or authorized person.
If a part of the body comes into contact with the electrical circuit, shock will occur. This passage of electricity can cause great pain, burns, and even fatalities.
Here are the few basic tips to help prevent electrical accidents. First, use only equipment that is properly grounded or double insulated.
Second, do not overload outlets. Third, do not plug multi-outlet power strips into other multi-outlet power strips.
Only use equipment that has been approved by a national testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories.
Fifth, minimize the use of extension cords. Do not plug two extension cords together. Sixth, inspect cords and equipment regularly and report defect immediately.
Number 7. Do not ignore warning signs. If an item feels hot, makes an unusual noise, smokes and sparks, take it out of service and label it "Do not use." Number 8. Never use electrical equipment when your hands or the equipment is wet.
Safety is important. Make sure you follow the best practices for keeping yourself and your family safe. Use safety coverings on outlets and keep extension cords away from pets and small children. All outlets and switches should have faceplates. Exposed wiring is a shock hazard. Signs of faulty switches and outlets include sparking or feeling warm to the touch. Both of these conditions may indicate an unsafe wiring connection, and it should be checked by an electrician. Check all electric cords for visible damage and make sure cords are out of traffic areas. Check that extension cords are correctly rated for the amount of electricity needed. Never overload a cord with more than it can handle. To avoid excessive wear, ensure that cords don't run under rugs or furniture. Damaged cords can be dangerous. Never insert any metal objects into an appliance. Keep all cords away from hot surfaces like toasters, range tops, and ovens. Cords can be damaged by excessive heat. Never leave electric heaters and hot plates unattended when in use. Don't touch electrical devices when they are wet while standing on wet surfaces or where your body can create a path to ground. Check that all appliances are located away from the sink and bath. Electric equipment can injure you if it comes in contact with water. In kitchens, bathrooms, and near swimming pools, ask your electrician to replace the standard outlets with ground fault circuit interrupters or GFCIs. These provide shock protection by quickly cutting off the circuit and preventing injury. Remember, safety is for everyone.
No octopus wiring. Octopus wiring is pasting a lot of extensions to a wall socket. This is dangerous because total current that passes through the wires exceeds the indicated rating. It could create too much heat and start a fire. Keep electrical devices or components away from the presence of water. Water also can start a fire. The presence of moisture can rapidly increase the current in the circuit, which in most modern appliances will cause a short circuit as the fuse is blown. However, if a fuse is not present, then the wire will heat up and a fire could start. Turn off appliances when not in use. It's not only safe, it lessens the expenses for electrical bills. Why is it important to switch off electrical appliances? It is very important to switch off electrical appliances when not being used because they are mechanical devices that could ultimately fail and could cause major fires if no one is around to spot the problem or to remove the electrical power socket. Grab cords on the head when unplugging a device. Electrical equipment is potentially hazardous and can cause serious shock and burn injuries if improperly used or maintained.
Electricity is an incredible gift. It powers our homes, computers, phones, and more. However, electricity can also be a very dangerous hazard. An average of 51,000 electrical home fires occur each year, taking almost 500 lives and injuring another 1,400. According to the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, nearly 400 Americans die as a result of electrocution each year. So how can you prevent electrical death or injury from happening to you? Fortunately, there are a few do's and don'ts you can abide by to prevent most major shock incidences. First and foremost, there are a number of things you can